In this tutorial I will show you how to make my new fire flame hat. This hat is available in sizes toddler, tween and adult. In this video I will show you how to make the adult version, but you can find all the other written patterns on my blog and I will share the link in the description below. For this hat you will need worsted weight yarn in the colors black and red or orange for the fire flames. You can use any yarn you like. I personally prefer to use knit picks because their worsted yarn is very soft. You will also need crochet hook 6mm, and for the extreme drop stitches it might be easier to use a crochet hook like this. We will start by making 54 foundation double crochet stitches and I will quickly show you how to make them. So we first chain 4. We yarn over, insert a hook in the first chain and pull up a loop. We yarn over and pull through one loop, which creates the first chain. Then we yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we just created a double crochet stitch. So what we will do now is we yarn over and insert our hook in the chain that we just created. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 to create a new chain. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what we will do till we have 54 stitches. We will end this round by working a slip stitch in the first stitch, which is the 4th chain. And you can close the bottom of the stitches by using the long tail. Row 2 till 4 we will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch across till the end. And we will end the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Row 5 we will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 2 stitches. Then we chain 1 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 6 stitches. And this is what we will do till the end. So we chain 1 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 6 stitches. As always, we end the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Row 6 we will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Then we chain 1, work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch. And we work another double crochet stitch in the next stitch. So we just ignore the chain from the previous row. Then we chain 1 and make 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. And this is what we will do till the end. So we chain 1, work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch, 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch after the chain, chain 1 and 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. I will quickly show you how to end row 6 by working 1 double crochet stitch in the last 2 stitches and work a slip stitch in the first stitch. Row 7 is very easy. We will just work 1 double crochet stitch in every stitch and we ignore all the chains. So when you see a chain, just skip it and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next double crochet stitch. When you end round 7 by making a slip stitch in the first stitch, make sure to use the new color, which we are going to use for the fire flames, because this way you won't notice the color change. So start this row by chaining 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Now it's time for the extreme drop stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook in the first chain space and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull up another loop. Then yarn over and pull up 2 loops in the chain space below. Yarn over and pull up 3 loops in the lowest chain space. And then in the 2 remaining chain spaces we will also pull up 2 loops. You now have 23 loops on your hook, and now you yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook together. Now chain 1 to secure the stitch and chain another one. And then continue working 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 double crochet stitches. Repeat this till the end of the round, so make 1 extreme drop stitch and then make 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. End this row with 1 double crochet stitch in the last 2 stitches and make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Row 9 we will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the first stitch. Then we make 1 double crochet stitch in the chain space above the extreme drop stitch. We chain 1 and make another double crochet stitch in the same chain space. And then we work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. This is what you will repeat till the end of the round, so make 1 double crochet stitch in the chain space, chain 1 and make another double crochet stitch. Then work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. And as always, make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 10, 11 and 12 are repeats of round 6, 7 and 8. And I will quickly show you how each round should look like. Row 13 we will start by chaining 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next stitch. Then we work 1 double crochet stitch in the chain space before the extreme drop stitch and 1 double crochet stitch in the chain space after the extreme drop stitch. And then we will work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. Repeat this till the end of the round, so make 1 double crochet stitch in the chain space before and after the extreme drop stitch and work 1 double crochet stitch in the next 4 stitches. So all we need to do now is work on the brim. Round 14 till 17 we will work 1 front post double crochet in each stitch across. When you finish the brim, it's time to close the top. Use your long end and needle to close the top. Insert the needle in every stitch and pull tight. Now weave in the ends and you're done. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please leave a like and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's free and this way you will get notifications when I upload new patterns. Hope to see you next time. Bye!